Does it blend? That is the question. Okay, as you can tell, I got a whole shitload of cough drops that I'm going to try to blend. But I'm going to be honest, after the kohlrabi, I'm not very optimistic, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, dropping the cough drops into the blender. And away we go. This could be either incredibly cool or incredibly lame. Okay, I'm gonna press the sore throat button for this one. Whoa, cold and flu smoke. Don't breathe this. Now there we have the answer that cough drops do indeed blend, so